this video, I'm going to show you how to use your iPhone as a webcam on your computer. So I'll be demonstrating this on a Windows computer, but this will also work on Macs as well. So the very first thing we need to do is go and open up an internet browser on our laptop, and then you can search for the word DroidCam and press search. Now click on this top website, which is droidcam.app. And then scroll right down to the bottom of the page and you'll see Get the PC Client. Now we need to click on the Windows Setup file and then click on the DroidCam Setup file. You can then press the Downloads folder in the top right hand side and go and open up the DroidCam client. Now all we need to do is go through the steps to install this onto our computer. So I'm going to press next, click on I agree, click on install, and then give that a few seconds while it installs. You can then go and click on finish. Now we can open up the start menu, go and search for DroidCam and open up the DroidCam client. Now once you're on this window here, we can then head over to our iPhone. Now from the iPhone, we're going to first open up the App Store, click on the search box and go and search for the app called DroidCam and press search. You then need to go and click on the download button to download this to your iPhone. Once it's finished downloading, we can open up the app, click on continue and press OK. Now it will ask access to the camera, press allow, and also click on allow to the microphone as well. If you get any other pop-ups, just press allow, agree to the terms and conditions and press allow to the local networks. Now you should see this page on your iPhone and it should have Wi-Fi IP number and also a port number as well. So all we need to do is make sure our iPhone and our laptop are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. You can then come back over to your laptop and we're going to click this add a device button. Now as long as DroidCam's running on your iPhone, it should automatically appear in this list here. You can then simply click on your iPhone and press add selected device. You can see just like that, we're now using our iPhone camera as a webcam on our Windows computer. And it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.